Oh, gotta be kidding me. Can't believe what I just did. Yeah, I put the screw back in. I'm ready to put this screw slash bolt in here, and the reason I got these knots is to make a space here. If I didn't put anything in here, when I put the bolt in there, it's going to tighten and it's going to make this thing turn. But I want this to stay in here like this, so by using this spacer, these two knots as a spacer, this thing will not move, and hopefully it'll stay there nice and secure. So that is the plan. I got lock washers too. And there you go. I have a muffler. I think it came out better this way than the way I was thinking. Because the way I was thinking, I would have to remove this bolt right here and shorten this up more, bring this up, because this would have to be turned around, and the entrance for the pipe would be on this side. But anyway, this looks good. It's nice and secure. It's not moving at all. And this is nice and tight here, and once in a while I'm going to come over here. I mean, this is really nice and tight. It has a lock washer, and I don't think it's going anywhere, but once in a while I'm going to come over here and just check those connections. This is nice and tight, and yeah, I can't wait to see what the difference this thing makes. But before I start the Webasto, I want to install intake silencer. This will go here. I think I'm going to have to put a little spacer in there so that this does not sit right against this here. Give it some room to breathe. Alright, first step, let me take this out, and then I think I'm going to have to cut this. You gonna be a van cat? Yeah? You gonna come with me? Here's what I did. I took out this clamp. This is the original clamp that was attached to this pipe, and that's the original hole. I didn't have to drill another hole. So this, I guess the clamp, this screw was originally on this side, and I was able to turn it around, put it on that side, and utilize the same clamp to hold the silencer and the pipe together, because I was going to use a clamp, but this clamp here is a stainless steel, and putting stainless steel with aluminum is not a good idea, because it's going to, from what I understand, the aluminum will corrode the stainless steel. So I used the same clamp that it came with and the same hole, and I attached that, but I'm not too happy because it's a little bit on an angle, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to undo this real quick, and I'm just going to straighten this out a little bit more. Also, I used the last two nuts as a spacer there, and this way this thing is not on an angle, and and it has room on the other side for the air to go in here. So I think it's working out really nice, except I want it more like this. Oh, I want it more like that. So now once I tighten this up, I'm going to hold this in place. I know now why I need to use this clamp, this zip tie, because I want to make sure that this thing does not fall off. Okay. Let's figure out how this thing goes back in here. I will extol you, O Lord, for you have lifted me up and have not let my enemies rejoice over me. Psalms 31. I think Missy wants to give me a hand. Missy, the thing is over here. Over here, Missy. Okay, she's not going to give me a hand or a paw.